Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to Chika's Vlog. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Chika Amelia Anugrah Anhar. I'm from 4BD class, English Department, State Polytechnic, Sriwijaya. So guys, in this video I will comparing the two of historical attraction in Palembang, that are Sriwijaya Museum and Balaputra Dewa Museum. So both of them are the historical place that keep the relics from the kingdom of Sriwijaya. Before comparing them, I will give you a little information about both of them. The first is Sriwijaya Museum. Sriwijaya Museum is located on Sakyakirti Street, Karanganyar, Gandus, Palembang. Also, this place was previously called Karanganyar Sites. This museum was inaugurated on December 22, 1994 by Mr. Suharto as a President of Indonesia. The Sriwijaya Museum is a public museum that was established as an information center about the relics and civilization of the Sriwijaya Kingdom. The types of collection on display consist of archaeological, ceramic, and numismatic objects. Also, this museum provides the facilities such as Purbakala Park, the seats, swings, gazebos, toilets, musola, and parking area. Sriwijaya Museum has a total of 500 artifacts, with the artifacts arranged by time or period. And also, this museum only focuses on the theme of the Sriwijaya Kingdom. The artifacts on display in this museum include inscriptions, statues, brass, ceramics, two fragments of ship and their rudders. In addition, each artifact has information printed in Indonesian and English. This makes it easier for domestic and foreign visitors to visit this museum. Also, this museum is grouped into 5 categories to make it easier for visitors to understand the historical information presented at the museum. For the travel route, there are 3 travel routes to reach this museum. The first is from Sultan Mahmud Badaruddin to International Airport. The distance required is about 20 kilometers. The second route is from Kertapati Station. The distance required is about 12 kilometers. The third route is from Alang-Alang Palembang Terminal, where the required distance is 15 kilometers. Next, we going to Balaputra Dewa Museum. Balaputra Dewa Museum, or officially called the South Sumatra Province State Museum, Balaputra Dewa, is an ethnographic museum located in Palembang City, South Sumatra, Indonesia. This museum is the State Museum of South Sumatra Province. The name Balaputra Dewa comes from Balaputra Dewa, the king of Sriwijaya, who ruled in the 19th century and the former head of the Sailendra dynasty, which was centered around Palembang. Balaputra Dewa showcases the history and the traditions of the province of South Sumatra. Balaputra Dewa Museum is one of the so-called Indonesian state museums, which represent each province in Indonesia. The construction of the museum began in 1978 and the building was inaugurated on November 5, 1984. The Balaputra Dewa Museum has a collection of traditional craft and artifacts found in South Sumatra province, from prehistoric times to the Dutch colonial era. There are 3 sections in this museum. First is Megalith section. In the megalithic culture of South Sumatra, which is centered on the highlands of Pagaralam in the mountain range on the west side of South Sumatra. In the highlands, 22 megalithic cultural sites were discovered. Some examples of artifacts shown in this section are the megalithic statue of a mother carrying a child, statue of people riding buffalo, and statue of men coiled with snakes. The Second section is Sriwijaya section. This Sriwijaya section contains items related to Sriwijaya, the Buddhist Malay Kingdom Center in the city of Palembang. The artifacts found in this room are pottery craft, beds, cast metal objects, and inscription. And the third section is Palembang Sultan section. This section has relics from the 18th century Palembang Sultanate period. For example, songket weaving and clothing. Among the most prominent songkets in the collection is the 6-meter songket with the Naga Besaung motif. Other collection display include Palembang wood carvings such as sofas, chairs, and traditional carve. This museum located on the center of Palembang. There are 3 roads to reach this museum. First is from Sultan Mahmud Badaruddin to airport. The distance required is about 15 kilometers. Second is from Kertapati station. The distance required is about 11 kilometers. Third is from Alang-Alang Palembang terminal. The distance required is about 14 kilometers. Both of these museums has the strength and the weakness. For the Sriwijaya Museum, the strength is the museum. The operating hours are longer from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. But for the weakness, there are long distance from the center of Palembang, and in this museum only consists of Sriwijaya Kingdom. And for the Balaputra Dewa, the strength is this museum not only consists of Sriwijaya Palembang but also Palembang Sultanate, and the distance is closer than Sriwijaya Museum, but the weakness is the operating is less than Sriwijaya Museum. I think that's all from me. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.